Hello, welcome to my unboxing and initial impressions of DJI Osmo Mobile 2. If you like the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get to it. So, Osmo Mobile 2, just been launched in the UK for £129, originally just from the Apple Store, but I think you now order it from DJI as well. Simple box, so picture of the Osmo Mobile on it. Very, very Apple-esque. So let's open it. So we've got two little plastic tabs. Some instructions. We're here to help. More instructions. Out of the way. And it comes in a nice little case. I didn't realise it came with a case. Very similar to what you see with some of the newer DJI drones. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. So inside we've got standard micro USB cable and the Osmo mobile itself. The case is actually fairly nice. Toughened polystyrene, I guess you might call it. And I'm going to be testing the Osmo with my trusty Google Pixel 2. After unpacking the Osmo Mobile 2, the first things I had to do was download the DJI Go software from the Google Play Store. I also had to balance the Osmo with my Pixel 2. It took a couple of minutes to balance the phone, but once it was balanced, I was good to go, and it's really easy to balance it again next time because it's already pretty much pre-done for you. One thing I did find a bit fiddly was the spring mechanism you have to use to put the phone in and out. It's not the easiest if you're using it with just your hands and you haven't got a table to rest on, but it's still workable. One of the first features I tried out was the auto tracking feature. This allows you to put a box around an object and the Osmo will track it. So in this example, I track my face and move around and the Osmo tracks me automatically. So let's say I want to track me. Record. I'll hit the target. I'll then find my face and draw around it. Now, Osmo Mobile 2 is tracking me. So I have my own cameraman, and I haven't got a cameraman, so wherever I move, it will follow me. Another feature I tried out was the motion time lapse. This allows you to set a start point, middle points and end point. Tell the Osmo how often you want to take frames, so I chose once every half a second, and I said I wanted to have a 4-second video. This then recorded for 1 minute, and here's the results. I think it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you like it, and please subscribe. I'm going to be posting a full review and overview of all the features in the next week. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.